Ever wondered how fast a sneeze travels? Believe it or not, it can zoom up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the freeway. Imagine that little explosion of air racing past you. Now, let's dive into the ocean for a moment. Did you know that sharks can live for up to 500 years? That's like having a grandparent who's been around since the time of the dinosaurs. And here's something really cool: if you cut a worm in half, it can regenerate into two separate worms. It's like magic, but it's real. Nature is full of surprises, isn't it?